Hello everyone, welcome to entering Sogang University. This video clip was made for foreign transfer students to help understand the academic life and credit transfer process. I am a commentator Kunhwa Lee. As the officer from Registrar's office, feel free to ask me about this topic anytime after on this phone number or email address. Okay, firstly, I will talk about a simple and critical academic information for you. Maybe after entering the university, you can get lots of information from guidebook, international office, official notices, friends, mentors, and so on and so on. Therefore, I will briefly just introduce some guidance. And then next step is credit transfer process. Okay, first, the semester. We have a typical semester system. The first semester, summer, second semester, and winter semester. And you can see how many credits you can attend in each semesters. Typically, many students complete their degree by the 8th semester, about 4 years. Sometimes you need more semesters in various regions. If you want, you can fully attend up to 12th semester. But the thing that is important for you is you are a transfer student. If you enter as a second year student, you start from third semester. If you are third year student, you start from fifth semester. Therefore, you cannot have full 12 semesters. Some of you can have 8 or 10 semesters, maybe due to visa issues. Most of you probably want to finish the degree until 8th semester. That means you can only have 4 or 6 semesters. So you must remember it. Next, graduation. After you enter, we provide you a table for graduation in our Saint system, which is continuously updated on semester by semester. You can see it anytime to check how you are making an academic plan to graduate. In order to graduate, you should fulfill all required major liberal arts courses according to each of your table. Moreover, you need to maintain your total grade at least 2.0. And even though you fulfill the course condition, I said in number 1, you must attend the classes at least 130 credits. Whereas a foreign student, when you need more things to graduate, like a language test score, you have less time than other students, so you must prepare for them actively. Third, we provide you the multi-major program and student design major. If you have a time plan, you can freely challenge second major and even third major. Most of your friends have done well and graduate well, so if your condition allows, why don't you try it? And when selecting your multi-major, if you think the list of available majors is not satisfactory, you have a chance to create your own major. We need some effort to make a course list with your professor's consulting, but if it is accepted and if you achieve your own made major, the sense of accomplishment become your unique experience in your Sogang University life. We also have various academic systems which sometimes help you or sometimes bother you. You as a transfer student, you only have max 3 semesters of leave of absence. You have 8 times of course repetition chances. If some of you have a poor grade, you can recover them. Of course, you'd better get a good score on the first attempt, but you never know what will be in the future. So keep it in mind. As a part of tight academic system, we also have FA system. Many absences become F grade, so don't be absent. We also have academic warning and a warning of expulsion. After finishing the semester, if your total score is below 2.0, you will get warning. Well, academic warning has no penalty, but it is the warning that you may cannot graduate with that grade. Warning of expulsion will be given if you get lower grade. With 3 consecutive warning of expulsion, you will be expelled. Your visa will immediately end and you should go home. So please don't get warning of expulsion. But you can have one more chance, re-entry system. If you are expelled 1 year later, then you can come here again. But your previous grade goes on, so you must be careful not being expelled second times. If you are expelled second times, there's no further chance. Well, furtherly, for a highly motivated student, we also provide you micro-degree certification system. Some of you think, oh, I'm interested in or AI or other major, but if you think it is too tough to follow double major or a third major, then you can then select micro degree program for like an AI major or other majors. If you finish 4 selected courses, you can get a certification, then you get a good knowledge on specific part. As a Sogang University student, you can also apply for outbound and inbound exchange program and internship. You can take a class of other Korean universities like Seoul University, Yonsei University, or you can also apply for an exchange program. You can go to America, Europe, China to study abroad, and you can get a chance to take an internship. Lastly, I want to give you a little advice. Each of you have different plans, dreams, and the reasons why you choose Sogang University. Anyway, now you are in the foreign university in a foreign country, and you decide to overcome any difficulty and challenges. If you are, then I hope you get anything as much as possible. Then the key is being active. There are so many things to help you and so many chances when you pay a little attention. We, as the officer, will help you anytime if you have problems. So don't be afraid for asking for help. If you become speaking Korean well, that is also good. Let's move on to the second step, credit transfer process, which is very important for you. What is credit transfer? Well, all of you are from your previous universities and you studied hard in there. So if it is appropriate, that credit you earn can be recognized as some same courses in Sogang University. The process will be held only 1 time before you enter. You as a transfer student, I said before that you start from third semester or fifth semester. Therefore, it is not right that you should attend all 130 credit like other students. So we give you a basic point. One fourth of 130 credit to second year students, a half of 130 credit for third year student. If you are business major or economics major, maybe the credits are not 130 but 126. But the basic credit point does not fulfill any of your requirement of graduation, like core mandatory liberal arts, major courses. That is just a given point. Then within a basic point, if you some courses of private university are recognized, each of recognized courses can be regarded as the requirement, like mandatory courses, major courses you need to graduate. Like this example, if your courses are recognized more, you will fulfill the requirement in advance than other students and easier to graduate. Let's see these two people. Well, everyone can know that the right guy earns lots of courses and fulfill requirement in advance. You can easily imagine how the right guy be easier to achieve graduation or do anything more freely during the school life. That's why I emphasize this. The courses you can transfer are, firstly, your major and pre-major courses of your major in here. Therefore, for example, if your major is physics, but now your major in here is business, maybe you cannot get any chance to transfer. Second, you also attend many liberal arts courses. If they are regarded samely of our core mandatory liberal arts courses, then you can be transferred. They can be transferred. In each case, your previous grade must be above C0 or 76 point. Well, here is the sample of core mandatory liberal arts requirement. You can see our course book on our homepage. Well, sorry, it is only written in Korean. So, how to prepare your course transfer? Firstly, you need your final transcript. You may submit it into international office, but check your transcript has final grade of right previous semester. Now, if your transcript doesn't have grade of your spring semester on your paper, they never can be recognized. So you really attended the courses and studied hard. Secondly, your syllabus will be prepared in Korean or English. We cannot read other language, so if you are Chinese, Spanish, or if we have other language bases, then all of your syllabuses should be translated and notarized, not with translation by on your hands. Well, some of you question to me what is syllabus. Okay, what is syllabus? Let's see the syllabus of international trade and business environment in the right section. You may see in your previous classes in your country, in there, there is professor's name, class hour, how to give you grade when you study, and so on. If you lost it, or if your professor didn't give you, then you should prepare any document you can appeal. If some explanation or information is on your internet page of your previous university, let's copy them. If you have any homework or then let's submit them. The worst case is that you just write the name of your courses on our form, then that's it, without any document or any preparation. While none of your professor gave you a good result or will be failed. Okay, this is the sample file. I will give you files like this. The folders are given like liber part and major part separately. If you apply to both, then you need all the documents. If you attend only liberal arts, you do not need document or major part. So you can, each of you can select which files you will submit. This is how to do. Well, it is quite simple. In the document of liberal art part, I will give a table. On the list of, you can select the courses you want. Most of them have 3 credits, so your previous course also should be more than 3 credits. If you are from Europe, I also introduce how you can change your ECTS credit to our credit. On the second document, you can fill up the details of your courses. I hope you can do well as detailed as possible. Then you must attach your syllabuses or document. Well, major part is also simple. You can write on the blank of the sheet. Write the courses you want to be recognized and courses you attend. The course brochure is in our homepage. They are all written in Korean. Maybe you need Google Translate or Papago or ChatGPT, anyone. In major part, samely you should fill up the document and need all the syllabuses. Here is what you have to know before write the document. Number 1, many people select wrong courses. It's quite easy to understand that you have 2 credit courses, and then they can never be same with 3 courses in our course book. But there are some cases like Japanese student. If you do not have 3 credit courses, but if you have same courses of 2 credit, then you can be combined. You can combine and 2 courses becomes 1 or 3 courses become 1, like that. Like Spanish 1 and Spanish 2, and if we combine this, then it becomes 4 credits, so it can be transferred as a basic Spanish classes. Therefore, think carefully and try as many times as possible to combine your courses to be transferred well. That is the key point. As I mentioned before, if you are from Europe, 2 ECTS is same with 1 credit. So in order to get 3 credit courses, your previous courses will be like more than 6 ECTS courses. But if you can prove your course hours officially, like from transcripts, then 15 course hours can be 1 credit. But be careful, it is the course hours, not like a study hours in your syllabus. They are quite different. Finally, I will tell you many times, please give me an English or Korean document. Or the document must be officially from your previous university or officially notarized translation is needed. Any document out of this rule cannot be accepted and read from officers and professors. You may never get a good result. Okay, here is the good case of a student. In this case, she got 7 courses, 12 credit recognized in various parts of requirement of graduation. So if there is one case without any recognized courses, she can be easily fulfill the requirement, and with an extra credit, she can freely do double major or micro degree program and so on. Okay, let's see the time schedule of credit transfer process. The notice will be sent to you at July 24th. From the next day after you receive the mail, you can submit the document to this mail address. Please keep the deadline. The result will be given in August 23rd, and the next day is your enrollment day. Okay, anytime you can mail me and ask about the things I explained to you. I believe all you can do well. Thank you.